Yo, ebusia king to the Kobe. My sign aji makonya said it no. Aha, a fabulous zone. Mwamunim said the end yet na said a fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The Porcupine Warriors. Ukuma Apemeba is the motto Mefan continue to what I say. Africa Club of the Century. Ghana's most successful club and one sem and I the year by Bekama Hasi. Na Yenshen Sem Abituja. The latest news in fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko. On the match now now we shall see first news I say Richmond Lamptey the midfield dynamo fan fi entire life name so about 3 goals so far or boy juma but unfortunately you be missing against our game at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium come this Sunday be share ash good then say when you accumulated cars and American Ghana your football na your bono accumulated cast no man intentem do what I say and we a dikoto kunya papa this season play people one no too much spare accumulated cast out they say Richmond Lamptey what I say boy oboma kotokoi against Ashgold untimi nsia kan untimi on say Ashgold nsia na ya no mo ya yo mo say kin face abisa and what I say mo be share no pese mo kire ahonden kakra mo dem kire no aha ye ne mo na wa Ashanti region but mo mbra so mo bro mo ho ase ye chiro mo bobo but ma be presa which Lamptey na be ha kotoko kakra but be enden and the news about ho no accumulated cast so Richmond Lamptey ebe message the game against Obuasi Ashanti Gold the minus yen twas na yen nsem foforo a ewo ho na twas na so I say medical report ne says the attackers are of Isaac Opong we've missed this young chap what is Isaac Opong or she season national how no bugos to train for na ade no we prache Isaac Opong we prache Isaac Opong ne Samuel Boatin Okocha see I am crying say they are recovering amugusuna is positive news omunya enye fully fit for match days but omu recover let's hope say Sunday no they can make the match day squad no but as at now there and tiene say they are recovering say and crash omu recovering him na oto aso so ayade Mohammed Sharif nso no wa recover from some little illness be otimi onyaye no wa recover fully so wa training ase and see the positive news is that Isaac Opong and Samuel Boatin no omasha say training in kakra and Sharif Mohammed dey no wa recover fully wa share full training ase hence the tell ho no so na say oto so a yen hwe gate process no kotoko na manfo esu say ticket na management omode banano odin Vivo FC VIP 100 cedis popular stand cry 30 cedis almost ne boarding omaka management he say omatete so but me my personal opinion is that football baby eduru no eka wom to run a whole club eka wom Muma yen China ne ticket boarding 30 cedis go and pay 30 cedis and watch kotoko what's in the boarding nti wonko otifie but football baby edu no mo pese one yen tua players kayi mo pese player bi ba na se team bi fi amano ne ba so beto ye player ama yen ton no ye ba ntina team no ofi amano ne ba no diska kese na ebe fa no nti wo ka se wo ma won ton no onka e se wo so tu ni pay manage ska ebe ma onya interest bi am so ntu kwan and then it's kind of idea but yet you know the gate process but na supporters mo kasa bebre na ne boarding na we na high fan ko see hin they say about management say okay ne boarding o match so see ano the omo dey abani VIP 60 cedis it was 100 cedis before but omo dey about 60 cedis and our wings no 40 cedis center line 30 cedis center line 50 cedis mo see ne boarding so about 30 cedis say popular stand and 30 cedis no almost say 20 cedis so we expect a full stadium or more of the fans now say more than Moba Sunday against Obuasi Ashanti Gold. You have to be present in your numbers and I want to mean no the virtual seat challenge on air costo kotoko virtual seat challenge on air costo want to mean make your Momo payment and I say ZPay fast ZPay net your contribution just take it as say oh me to kwai me ntimi mko stadium entino me so me get process I met you and any What you say? Enti fly na da so no number no. Hwe number no na send your contribution fa koso what you say. Yen to aso na hwe nsem ada ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko na to aso a striker of Oyerepa FM or nsem betu just a Kotoko e ba no winning bonus a Ghana ha team bi no ho twa winning bonus kese esen Asante Kotoko na winning bonus pass ya bobo team abobo winning say na mo be players no Kotoko ebeje 700 cedis players no beje 700 cedis for winning any away match be a players maybe no beje 700 cedis each and on home no so mo winning so 500 cedis enti and am special incentive be aka winning bonus no say mutimi win 4 matches twaso te say the season as you win 4 matches twaso no mutimi win 4 matches twaso bia management na the 1000 cedis ebe ka winning bonus no de amamo what you say until we 4 matches at twaso ache so we benya 500 cedis for every home match and 700 cedis for every away match win no mu yam the 1000 cedis as come as attach winning bonus no until the tie no until say team ne mu ayde salary no so e koso and winning bonus no e koso bi ani age wo Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye fa mu si ya say news ye de bi ama mo ankasa ha me din de kwenko bi what you say de ye no unsubscribe and subscribe for more Kotoko news for Porcupines by Porcupines.